Hello! It's time to lose weight naturally and healthily with Leanbiome. The latest Ivy League formula with real results. There are people who are naturally thin and eat everything. And others who can't look at a plate of food and gain weight. And the weight gain is not your fault. According to research, this miraculous thinness is due to naturally thin gut microbiome. The director of the Microbiome Therapies Initiative at Stanford University called this the clearest evidence to date that gut bacteria can cause weight gain. The good news is that you can become naturally thin with Leanbiome. Scientists were shocked to discover that the rich, diverse, andcrete gut microbiome contains species of lean bacteria that help to suppress hunger, damp down cravings, ignite metabolism, and reduce fat storage. Leanbiome is the first formula in the world to combine 9 clinically researched lean bacteria species with Green Select Phytosome, a next-generation, caffeine-free green tea extract formulated with patented phytosome technology that increases absorption. Green tea is clinically shown to rebalance the gut microbiome and therefore help suppress hunger, dampen cravings, ignite metabolism, and reduce fat storage, generating 3-fold weight loss according to experiments conducted. How amazing are these results? But imagine if you were to combine all of them in clinically studied dosages, and then add 6 more species of research-backed skinny bacteria to strengthen and accelerate the results even further. Well, that's exactly what we've done, and that's why our customers are experiencing spectacular results. And this is your chance to join them so you can become naturally slim too. Get your Leanbiome today with a super offer, you won't regret it. But in case you have any problems, the money-back guarantee is up to 180 days. Leanbiome is for real people with real results. Get your Leanbiome at the link in the first comment. Thank you for watching this review.